some wire wool, which is, even for that was about £3, and a can of dog food. This is a big one for a 4-inch tailpipe, 4 inches, but most exhaust, a 3-inch tailpipe, you can have the smaller cans which are half size and 3 inches wide. Again, that's a Tesco cheapy one, about £1.50. 4% chicken, but it's 35% meat and animal derivatives. So there's 31% some kind of animal muck in it that is not chicken, but some kind of animal they don't dare talk about. So dead horses, donkeys, I don't know, but 31% something absolutely disgusting. But hey, £1.50. Just clean it, empty it out, feed it your dogs, feed it your gran, whatever, and we're ready to go. All you need to do, drill a few holes in the bottom of it. Usually 5 is enough for most cars. 5 holes, pretty simple. You could do more, but that's for most cars idling, there's not a whole lot of gas flow, so 5 would be enough. If it kept falling out your tailpipe, then obviously it's restricting it too much, so put a few more in, but 5 should be fine. Open your wire wool. This actually might stuff it all in there actually. That'll do. On smaller cans you'll only need half of that, but that's plenty. And it looks like that. What I tend to do as well is, while this is about 4 inches and the smaller cans are about 3 inches, they tend to be a little bit big for the tailpipe. So if you cut it a little bit, you're better off with tin snips. And if you've got a little slot, you can just bend it in a little to get it in the tailpipe easier. And that's it. It's made. Now I'll show you how good it works. Hardly any exhaust noise at all. But you can hear this bloody horrible noisy engine with an exhaust leak at the front. But nothing from the tailpipe at all. But loud as fuck. Watch. Suddenly, as quiet as a standard car. Then, loud as fuck. Quiet as anything. And that's just an old dog food can that I drilled a few holes in it and stuffed it full of wire wool. Dog food can silencer.